Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So here I am with the question paper of Karnataka TET 2023. It is a paper 2 question paper. And let us solve this mathematics part from this question paper. Okay. Actually, I got many requests from aspirants that they want the answer key to this question paper. But I don't believe that just giving answer key will help you all. So what I have done is I have solved the maths part of the question paper of Karnataka TET paper 2 by myself, and then I am giving you the answer keys along with the explanation. Okay. So please do watch this session till the end to understand what type of question paper was it and how was the question paper, whether it was easy or tough, because many aspirants are telling that this question paper was very tough, madam. We could not get proper time to solve the question paper, and the question paper was very twisted, they all are telling. So let us decide at the end of this session whether the question paper was really tough or no. Okay, so let us start the class by discussing the first question from mathematics part. So from question number 91 till question number 112. So total 22 questions were asked from mathematics part in paper 2. So the first question is, the prime factorization of two numbers are 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square into 7 to the power m and 3 to the power k into 5 into 7 respectively. If the HCF of the numbers is 315, the value of k and m respectively are, and they have given 4 options. To solve this type of problem, we should know the basic concept that the highest common factor, when we take out, we will take the same numbers, correct? So here I have 3, I will take 3 square and 3k. I will take 1 5 and 1 5, which is common, that I will write, and 1 7 to the power m and 7. So that thing I will have to treat with 315, because that is they have given in the question. So when I match this, 3 square and 3 to the power k, I understand that k should be equal to 2, correct? And 5 to the power and 5 to the power 1, that I have taken common only, and 7 to the power m and 7 to the power 1. So that means m should be equal to 1. Okay. So when I compare, I understand that k is equal to 2 and m will be equal to 1. Okay, clear, right? So option 4 will be the correct answer. Next, question number 92. They have given these decimal numbers and they are telling you to find the value. So this is very simple. Only thing is your math should be good to do this, correct? So what I have done is I have first cancelled 5 ones are 5 5s, 5 ones are 5 5s. Then I have taken the decimals as it is. Then I have done the division. Then I have done whole square. I applied a plus b whole square. Here a is 0.2, b is 5. So if I apply a plus b whole square, I get 0.2 whole square plus 5 square plus 2 into 0.2 into 5. Okay, this is very simple, right? So my final answer after adding up the 0.04, 25 and 2 is 27.04. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 93. The volume of a cube whose total surface area is 150 m square is. So we have to find the volume of the cube. They have given us total surface area. So I know that volume of the cube is a cube and total surface area will be 6a square. So what I will do, that the total surface area they have given, right? So 6a square is given as 150 meter square. So with that I find the value of a. Now I know the volume of the cube, which is a cube. I take this 5 and I substitute here in a. So I get 125 meter cube. Okay. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Next, question number 94. The mean of 16 observations is 340. If one observation is excluded, the mean of remaining observations is 335. So the observation that is excluded is, so this is a tricky question. So first for this also, see, all the questions which they have asked this time, no, all are conceptual based. If you know the correct concept, then you can apply it and find the answer. That type of question paper was there. So first I know that mean is always equal to sum of the observations by number of observations. But what is the sum of observations? It is a mean into number of observations. So first what is the mean? It is 16, right? And what is the number of observations? 340, right? So I multiply 340 into 16 to get sum of observations. I get 5440. If one observation is excluded, means my number of observations will become 15 now. Okay, so what is that number now? It is 335. So 335 into 15, I'll get 5025. Now I have to find out the excluded observation. So to find out the excluded observation, I have to subtract this number and this number. So I get 415. Okay, so this one will be the correct answer. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer. Very simple, but you have to think a lot to attend to the answer. That type of question this is. Okay. Next question. The volume of a cuboid is given by the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. If the length is x plus 2 units, then the other two dimensions are. So this is also a tricky question because they are giving you the volume in terms of polynomial. So we know that volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. And in that they are given the length, which is x plus 2. So I substitute x plus 2 in place of L and I get B into H. So I get this ratio of polynomials. So now what I have to do? I have to apply the remainder theorem and I do the factorization like this. So if you know this procedure, then only you can solve this problem. Okay. So once I do this division, I get quotient or answer as 2x square minus x minus 1. So this 2x square minus x minus 1 is actually the answer of this ratio. So this is B into H. Correct. Now once I get this B into H, I can do further factorization and I can find two terms. One term will be breadth, another term will be height. So the other two dimensions are breadth and height. That's why here x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 6. The value of a when the point 3, 4 lies in the line y is equal to ax plus 7 upon 3 is. So what you have to do here? Just you have to substitute the values. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. This is a very easy problem actually. Okay. So if you substitute the values, you get a is equal to 5 upon 3. So option 2 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 97. The value of xy in a pair of linear equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 2 is. So you have to find the value of x and value of y. Then you have to multiply x and y to get the answer for this question. Okay. So this is a very easy question, but if you miss this point that you have to multiply x and y together to get the answer, then your answer will become wrong if you don't understand that point. Okay. So what you have to do now, right now, first you solve this pair of linear equations. You get y is equal to 2. Once you get y is equal to 2, you put it in the first equation and you get x is equal to 4. But what is the question? The question is you have to multiply x and y. The value of x, y you have to find. So x is 4, y is 2. So 4 2s are 8. So option 3 will be the correct answer. Okay. Very easy question, right? But only thing is you should know that your final answer you are getting will be after multiplying x and y. Okay. Next, question number 98. So they have given this indices question. It is like very complicated question. It looks like that, right? Actually, to solve this question also, you should know this simple indices formula, that a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole to the power n will be a to the power mn. And also you will have to apply this formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And also you should know that if the bases are same and if you are different powers are there, if you multiply a to the power m into a to the power n, you will get a to the power m plus n. So we can say that this is a tough problem because it is including usage of 4 formulae. But these are simple formulae. If you know all these formulae, then this is a very easy problem. So what you have to do, just go on simplifying. You apply all these formulae and go on simplifying. First what you have to do, you do this a minus b, because it is there in the denominator, right? A to the power m by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. So the same thing you have to do, b minus c, c minus a. Then you get this a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. You apply this formula, a cube minus b cube formula for all the 3 terms. Now again you apply this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So you have same basis, x is there, add up all the powers. You get x to the power 0 because a cube will get cancelled, b cube will get cancelled, c cube will get cancelled. When you get x to the power 0, it means that your answer is 1. So option 1 will be the correct answer. So that's why I told you that if you don't know these formulae, then this is a very tough question for you. In fact, many aspirants will get scared by seeing this type of complicated questions, because aspirants who will have not practiced, they will not be getting this answer easily in the examination. Okay. Next, question number 99. In the figure, DE is parallel to BC and DE is to BC is 2:5. Then area of triangle ADE upon area of trapezium DECB is. So this is also little tricky question if you have not practiced, because they are telling you to find area of triangle ADE. This is ADE. And upon area of trapezium DECB, this DECB. So what you have to do now, first you find area of small triangle, then you find area of big triangle. If you subtract area of big triangle minus area of small triangle, you will get area of the trapezium. Okay, that funda you should apply here, and also you should apply the basic proportionality theorem, because DE is parallel to BC, right? So according to basic proportionality theorem, if DE is parallel to BC, then if you are taking the ratio of that, you can write it as square like this. So area of triangle ADE will be equal to 2 square. Area of triangle ABC will be equal to 5 square. So once you get this 4 upon 25, again you write area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC minus ADE. You get area of trapezium then. Okay. So you get 4 upon 25 minus 4, which is 4 upon 21. So option 2 should be the correct answer. Okay friends, actually I am solving all these problems by myself. I don't know if I have made any mistake. Okay, so by chance if I have made any mistake, please do let me know in the comment section. Okay, because this is very too early to solve the question paper, right? Yesterday only exam has finished, only because many aspirants were like little bit sad, and they were asking for answer keys. To help them out and make them calm, I am making this session of solving this question paper. Okay, moving on. Question number 100. ABCD is a square in which a line segment DP cuts the side BC at P and the diagonal AC at O. If angle COD is 80 degree, the measure of angle DPB is. So what you have to do here? First though, these are vertically opposite angles, so 80 degree you can take. Then they are telling that this is a square, that's why DAB together it will be 90 degree, and because this is a diagonal, it will cut that 90 degree exactly into half. So I will have 45 degree. Here angle B also will be 90 degree because it is a square. Now once I get the 3 angles, I got this angle CAB I got, I mean to say OAB, and I got angle AOP, and I have angle PBA. So once I have all this, I can find angle OPB, because I know that sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. I have all other three angles, right? With that I can find the answer. Okay. So here I am getting 145 degree. Okay. Next, question number 101. On dividing 16 into two parts such that twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164, then the parts of that number are. So first give the name to the two parts, let that be A and B. Then you write the story in the form of equation. You will write it as 2 times A square minus B square, and this is equal to 164 they are telling. Okay. Now what you have to do in this equation, you just substitute the options and see where you are getting 164. Okay. Substitute option 1. Write 12 in place of A and 4 in place of B. If you are getting 164, well and good. And like that only go on doing. When I went for A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 6, I got answer 164. Okay. So that's why option 3, 10 and 6 will be the correct answer. Okay. This is simple thing. You have to use the options which they are given, substitute and see whether you are getting 164 or not. Okay. Next, question number 102. In the figure, PQ is parallel to RS. Angle BAQ is 145 degree and angle BCR is to BCS is 2:3. So the measure of angle ABC is. So here what you have to do is, because they are telling that it is a parallel lines are there, PQ and RS, they are parallel. So you can draw another parallel line like this. So at that time you understand that there are alternate angles. So here, because this thing is 145 degree they are telling, that's the reason why this will become 35 degree, because sum of the angles of a straight line is 180 degree, right? So if this is this is 35 degree, this is alternating angles concept, right? So angle ABD also will become 35 degree. This part I got. Now what I can do, I will use this angle BCR is to angle BCS is 2:3, right? So that is also, I mean to say that 2x plus 3x will also be equal to 180 degree, right? So there I can find value of x. After finding the value of x, I can find angle BCR. Once I find angle BCR, again I can apply this alternating angle concept, right? See this? So my BCR I am getting is 72. That's why angle CBD also will become 72. Okay. So at that time, I can calculate angle ABC, because angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC. 35 degree plus 72 degree. So my correct answer should be 107 degree. Okay. Clear, right? Next. In the circle with center O, AB is the diameter and AC is equal to BC is equal to x units. Then the measure of AB is. This is a very easy problem actually, because the concept here is angle at a semicircle is 90 degree. So you apply Pythagoras theorem. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, AB square will be equal to AC square plus BC square. You know AC is x and BC is x. You get the value of AB. Correct? It will be x root 2 units. Next question. The ratio of total surface areas of two cubes having their volumes in the ratio 1:64 is. So they have given you the ratio of volumes. They are asking you to find the ratio of total surface area. So using the volumes, you can find side length, right? So you can find A1, you can find A2, right? Because it is a cube, so all three sides will be same in that cube. So once you find A1 and A2, again use the formula for total surface area, which is 6A square. Okay. A1 cube root of 1 will be 1 only. Cube root of 64 will be 4, right? So A1 will be 1 and A2 will be 4. Substitute it here. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So we will get 1/16. So the volume is 1 upon 64 means the ratio of total surface area is 1 upon 16. Okay. Option 4 will be the correct answer. Next question. In the figure, AOBCA represents a quadrant of a circle of radius 3.5 cm with center O and OD is 2 cm. Then the area of shaded portion is. So here we should know that area of a circle is pi r square. So what will be the area of quadrant? It will be pi r square by 4. Okay. So r will be 3.5. Substitute and you find out some rough value you can find out. No need of accuracy. Actually I cannot say that also because if I see the options, no, the two options are very near. So in this type of problems where options are very near, better go for accuracy. Okay, so I cannot neglect accuracy in this type of problems. So I get area of a quadrant. Once I get area of a quadrant, I can find the area of triangle OAD because they have already given me one height and base is also there. Half into base into height. I get area of triangle OAD also. Now to find the area of shaded portion, I have to subtract the entire quadrant area minus the triangle area. That if I do, I will get the answer. Okay. Ultimately here I am getting 6.125 centimeter square. Okay. Next question. A sum of rupees 4,300 is divided among A, B and C in such a way that A receives 25% more than C and C receives 25% less than B. The share that A received here is. So what you have to do here, first let the share of A be X, let the share of B be Y, let the share of C be Z. Then X plus Y plus Z is equal to 4,300 they are telling in the question. Then they are also telling that A is 25% more than C, means X will be 1.25 times Z and they are telling C is 25% less than B. That means Z will be 0.75 times Y because it is less than, right? So less than means you have to do 100 minus 25, correct? Or 1 minus 0.25. So it will be 0.75. With these two options, I can understand that X is somewhere related to Y, right? So I put Z is equal to 0.75 into Y here. I get X is equal to 0.94 Y approximately. Okay. Then what I have to do? I will have to just substitute things. In place of X, I write this 0.94 Y. Y as it is. 0.7 Y. Correct? So I will get 4,300. Okay. Actually it is 0.75 Y. It is not 7 Y. It is 0.75 Y. Okay. So once I write 0.75 Y here and 0.94 Y and simplify, I will get to Y approximately 1600. Okay. But what is the question? The question is I should find the share of A. So share of A is 0.94 into Y. Y is 1500. Y is 1600. So 0.94 into 1600 if I do, I will get 1500 rupees. That will be the correct answer for this question. Okay. So lot of mathematics is there, lot of calculations are there. So that's why maybe many students could not make up time to answer these questions because really you can say that these are lengthy problems only. So they take time, right? Okay. Anyway. Next question, let us see. In the figure, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole AB from the bottom of the building CD is 30 degree and the distance between the top of the pole and the bottom of the building AC is 10 feet. If the height of the building is 10 feet more than the height of the pole, the distance between the top of the building and the bottom of the pole BD is. So this is a tough question only, I must say, because I never expected that they will put one question of heights and distances from trigonometry. This is a HSTR level question, I can say. So this is a tough question only. Okay. Anyway, let us solve it. So first what I have done is I have taken this triangle ABC. Here because I know the angle and I know hypotenuse and I am putting sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Then I get AB value. Okay. I don't know AB initially, right? I know that hypotenuse is 10 and I have one angle 30 degree. So I am using sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and I am finding this opposite side, that is AB. Once I get AB, I know that this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right? So I can apply Pythagoras theorem and find BC value. Okay. Once I find the BC value, this BC value I can use it in this bigger triangle, right? BCD I can use it, right? Or BDC I can use it. So I have just substituted and I found the value of BD. Okay. So that will be 10 root 3 feet. So option 2 will be the correct answer. So according to me, this is a little tough question only for TET aspirants. Okay. Actually, I really don't know. They should have been little more lenient, I feel. Anyway, the exam is over. We can't comment anything now. What we can do is we can look forward and prepare well for next year. Okay. Next, question number 108. This is a simple and common expected question only. Alpha, beta, gamma are three zeros of a cubic polynomial with alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3. Alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma alpha is -1. And alpha, beta, gamma is -3. Then polynomial is. So here we should know the formula that alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. And it is given as 3, right? So see which of the polynomial is giving you answer 3. X square should be 3 and x cube. X square should be -3 and x cube should be 1. So in that case you will get x cube minus 3x square. Then again you have to see next alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. The formula for this is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube. You should get -1, right? So to get -1 you should see that x should be -1 and x cube should be 1. So this is how you get this polynomial. Further, if you are not having any match from the options, you can go for alpha beta gamma equal to -3 also. But I found the match here only because x cube minus 3x square minus 1x. So here only one option is showing this type of polynomial. That is option 3. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Okay. So that will be your correct answer. Next question. The probability of picking a blue marble at random from a bag containing 3 red and 2 blue marbles is. So this though is dead easy because I have given you, even in the last moment in the revision also I have shown you this problem. So here just number of blue marbles upon total number of marbles. It will be 2 upon 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So 2 upon 5 will be the correct answer. Option 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Next question. The ratio of volumes of two cylinders when their radii are in the ratio 2:3 and heights are in the ratio 3:2 is. So here what you have to do, first you know that the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, and because they are talking about two cylinders, safely give r1 r2 for radii and h1 h2 for height. Okay, and because they are giving ratio, r1 will be 2 times r, r2 will be 3 times r, h1 will be 3 times h, h2 will be 2 times h. Now just take the ratio. That's it. Volume of first cylinder upon volume of second cylinder. Many things will get cancelled, like pi will get cancelled, small r will get cancelled, h will get cancelled. And here in the numerator I will have 2 square into 3. In the denominator I will have 3 square into 2. So I get cancellation things and then I get answer 2:3. Okay. Option 3 will be the correct answer. Next question. The nth terms of two different arithmetic progressions are 4n minus 15 and 2n plus 21 respectively. Then the common term that occurs in both is. So the common term that occurs in both is there. Which term it is? The common term is which term they are telling. So one clue which they are giving is that they are having one common term, right? So if they are having common term means you can equate 4n minus 15 and 2n plus 21. So you get n is equal to 18. Okay. So the common term is the 18th term. Option 1 will be the correct answer. Okay. Next question. A of 1, 2, B of x3, C of 6y and D of 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order. Then the values of x and y are. So first draw a parallelogram and then write their vertices and understand that the diagonals will cut exactly into half, right? So you can use midpoint formula and you equate the midpoint of this diagonal AC and midpoint of diagonal BC together. So once you equate, you can find the unknown term. Okay, so x will be 4 and y will be 6. So option 4 will be the correct answer. So ultimately, at what conclusion did we reach? Whether the question paper was tough or whether it was easy? According to me, the question paper was moderate. It was not tough, it was not easy, because there were very simple and easy questions also. There were very tough next level questions also, and there were some moderate questions also. So overall, I can say that this was a moderate question paper. Anyway, we are not expecting you to get 100% marks, right? But I somehow feel that all the aspirants who have attended all my free classes and all my paid classes, they will surely clear TET this time. Okay, at least the maths part I can say. Okay, so okay friends, these were the problems. As I already told you, they were all solved by me only. So if there is any mistake, do let me know in the comment section. And also please share this class as much as possible among your friends and other aspirants, because there are many more exams coming up, right? Even I have come across few aspirants who are from Telangana state. So Telangana state TET is also there this month. So this one will be very, very helpful for all of them also. So please share among other aspirants and make it reach to all the TET aspirants. And please do subscribe to my channel, and to stay connected with me, you can join my Telegram channel. The link of that Telegram channel will be given in the description below this video. And okay, if you want science answer keys also, please do let me know in the comment section. I will surely give you the answer keys in the next video.